3D laser scanning allows you to be able to capture additional information that you would not have with traditional methods. Not only in our enhanced program for our floor monitoring program with the floor profile testing, the structural survey, but also as-built conditions as they're being built and used during the construction period for change management and change incorporation. After completing the floor profile testing and doing the architectural overlay with the topo maps, we identified locations, for example, on the second floor in an OR room where there were, with everything still meets the contractual requirements, but we identified a location that was right close to a documentation station that was a little bit higher, and also another location that was adjacent to the surgery beds that was a little bit lower. So to avoid that later frustration and increase the quality of that space for the end users, being able to make sure that that space was completely flat so they're not skipping on that spot right in front of the documentation station, or carts slowly creeping away from your surgery table. So that's an example of really taking this information and really enhancing the final quality of that end space, taking into consideration of the end users and the functionality, and then the quality of service they can provide to their customer base. In consideration of a project, it's more about where you're spending the money and looking at spending the money as an investment. When you look at the benefits, the additional benefits you get with the 3D laser scanning, we've demonstrated schedule reductions of 70%, cost reductions, initial cost reductions of 60%. Really the bigger consideration too is in the operational side of things, where there are operational considerations of having to take rooms out of service, to move things around, to open walls up, and not have to do that is actually even a bigger cost savings, a bigger impact, but that actually even dwarfs the construction. When you look at McCarthy as a true builder, and the considerations we've taken in how to build this process and this program, we made the conscious decision to bring the services in-house. So that way it gives us the better control of not only the quality of those services, but the schedule of those services and the cost of those services, all in alignment of producing that better in-state product for the owner. With the integrated process that we have, there's the saying, you've got three components: cost, quality, and schedule. And one is forsaken to achieve the other two. However, with this process, we actually are able to improve all three at the same time. There's no reduction of one for the sake of the other. They actually, all three are improved. So it really is a home run all the way around.